Let's make Oktoberfest pretzel muffins. Add a pinch of sugar to 1 cup lukewarm water. Then sprinkle yeast on top. Set aside for 4 minutes. Stir yeast mix and set aside for another 6 minutes. In the meantime, add flour to a large bowl and make a well in the middle for the yeast mix. Add pats of butter and salt around the well. Pour the yeast mix into the well. Knead the dough in the bowl for about 2 minutes. Then, turn dough onto a floured surface and knead for 5 more minutes. Return dough to bowl and cover with a damp towel. Put in a warm place until the dough has doubled in size. Divide the dough into 12 pieces of equally sized balls. In a large stock pot, bring 7 cups of water to a simmer. Add baking soda to the water and wait for the foam to disappear. One at a time, add a dough piece, letting it float in the water for 15 seconds. Turn the dough over for an additional 15 seconds. Place dough pieces into a well-greased muffin tin. Sprinkle with coarse salt. Using a knife or kitchen scissors, score the tops of the muffin in an X pattern. Bake for 20 minutes or until deep golden brown. Serve warm.